What? What is it, you little orange gremlin?
You're not supposed to be here. Helping an intruder get inside? How disappointing, Leggy. I never expected you to betray me.
This loyal little soldier has saw the brilliance of my quest. So if you excuse us, we'll be heading to the comedy zone now.
More than welcome to try. But I doubt you'll make it far.
Okay, this might be a teensy bit harder than we thought, but it's still just SMG4.
We can persevere through ever dumb shenanigans he throws in our way, right? Where'd you go?